Good morning, everyone. New topic today, which is direction. So I'm going to have this photo in your classroom pack for today, so you can have a look if you need to. So these are the main directions that we need for this lesson. We've got north showing this way, east this way, west this way, south this way. Those are the four main ones, and as you can see, these smaller ones are just combinations of the main ones. So for example, this one starts with the N for north, and you've got the W there for west. So if it's in the middle between two main ones like that, you always put the kind of up and down one first, so north or south first, and then west or east second. So this one, it would never be east west, east south. It's always southeast, and the same southwest, northeast, northwest. Okay, so you can refer back to that as many times as you like throughout the lesson. I'll show you the task for today. So it tells you that this one is north, number one is north, and you've got to write the direction of the other arrows. So if north is that way, what's that one? Okay, well, I can have a look at my picture to say, okay, that's east. What's that one? Now, what I think I would do if I was you is have a guess at all of them without looking at the picture of the compass. So have a go at all of them. Maybe either write it on a different piece of paper or write it with very faint, with very small pressing, so that it's easy to change or rub out in case you do anything wrong. But I would just try for the first time. Just try and see how it goes, and after you've done that, then you can check all of them with the compass to see how many you got right. Okay, and then the last part is slightly harder. You've got to use this map information here to answer some questions. So where do you get to if you go east from Superslide? So first you've got to find Superslide and then think, okay, I've got to go east, so I'm not going that way, not going that way, not going that way. Again, you can use the compass to double check which way east or southeast or southwest is. But I know that east is this way, so I'm going to go, okay, east from Superslide is Riptide. So the answer for number 9 is Riptide. Number 10, south from Riptide. And we're going to go, okay, it's not that way, is it? It's not that way. South is that way, it's down. So we're at Surf Central now. West from Surf Central. So it follows a bit of a pattern. Okay, so you just got to be careful that you've started from the right one and that you've checked the compass points to make sure you go in the right direction each time. And then you'll be okay. So any questions, save them for me for the group call. If you missed the group call, just send me a message. Hopefully that's clear enough, and good luck.